how to create a Klarna one-time card. So here's how it works. There may be some variations depending on your Klarna region, but you basically want to open up the app, then click on the plus sign in the top right, and from the list of cards that you may be able to see here, you will just search for Klarna one time and it should pop up. Once you see the option for Klarna one time, you will choose that option, and here I'm just going to do this as an example, and you will need to enter the CVV, basically the card information that you want to use for Klarna, as well as the balance, so the total balance amount that you will use. And then after you have inputted the info, it basically generates a credit card which you can use as a one-time payment provider. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub if this helped, and I'll see you next time.